So this is what we are looking like on a budget after we are done ventilating. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rox-T Styles. It's so good to have you all back on this channel. So to my old and my new subscribers, I love you guys. Like, you guys are just the best. I don't know what I would have done without you guys. So thank you so much for clicking this video. Okay, so if you're just joining me for the first time, you're welcome. I'm Rox-T Styles. You know, it's so good to have you here. You need to join this family. Okay, so today I'm going to be making a very short video. I wouldn't want this to be long, so I had to cut them like in segments. Okay, so now I'm trying to line this full lace for ventilating our braids. So the very reason why I'm trying to line this is just for those that would feel like they wouldn't give us straight lines. Okay, but even after drawing these lines, I didn't follow these lines. Okay, because I actually ventilated each box to be bigger than what I've drawn here, so I wasn't really following this line. So I'm just trying to show you guys this pattern to look like a guideline for those of you out there that feel like you wouldn't ventilate much without segmenting this. Okay, so I'm just making use of my eyebrow pencil to mark these lines. You know, the same way you part your hairs for braiding your knotless braid or the box braid. So that's what I'm actually doing, and I think I was measuring like a 1.5 inches for this. Okay, so you just stay tuned. I forgot to make mention that I'm also making use of the Swiss lace for this style, and it has tiny holes also. They're so tiny. What I'm basically doing now is finding the middle of this front part. So I guess my ruler couldn't give me that much, so I had to go in with my tape, and then I measured this. I had 12 inches, so the middle should be 6. So that was what I did to get my middle part. The main reason why I went in this deep for my middle part is because I just want my knotless braid to the pattern to look deep, like kind of from the middle of my head to the front part. I just wanted it to look deep and the lines to be long. I guess once it's done that way, my wig tends to look beautiful than having short lines in front. I do prefer the long lines to the short lines for my middle part. Please leave a comment in the section down below. Let me know what you prefer about your middle part. Do you want it long or you want it short? So by the time I was done measuring these parts, I found out that one side tends to be bigger than the other part, so I had to reduce the line I had in the middle. You know, like the first line I did wasn't really perfect, and I had to correct that because I wouldn't want one side to be bigger than the other. The line I just drew now tends to be correct compared to the first one. Like this one you see in the middle is a mistake, so you just ignore it. Now I'll go in with my green pencil liner, and then I'll be marking this also. I guess you guys can see this clearly, so I guess I'll just zoom in so you can see clearly. After I was done drawing the lines below, so this one I'm trying to do now, in between each lines that I've drawn down, I will draw a box in between each. So like in between the lines below, you can see for each box. For the edges, I draw each box smaller compared to the box in the middle because the edges tends to be visible than the box in the middle. You know, for instance, when you pack your braids up like a donut, what is it called? So the edges tends to be visible. You know, the middle part is hidden most times when you want to style the hair. So that's why whenever I get to the edges, I tend to reduce the lines that I have. And then this is the front part. In between each lines, I draw a line. In between each lines, I draw a line. So those two lines joined together becomes one box for your knotless braid. And this is what we are looking like once we are done ventilating. So I'm just going to upload this video for you guys to see what it looks like. This is going to be the next segment on how I ventilated this box braid. So I'll be showing you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching up until now. Like I told you guys, I never followed the lines that I drew. I actually ventilated my box to be bigger than the lines that I've drawn there. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and your loved ones, subscribe to my channel if you are yet to, and I promise you won't regret this. Okay, thank you guys, and I love you. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.